Do you think that the examiners read your answer and give marks in your TELC A2 Lesen exam? Actually, they don't. In this video, I will explain you how the TELC A2 Lesen section is marked and how to avoid losing easy marks. So, without wasting any time, let's start with the video. So, we'll see how this exam and particular this lesson section is marked, right? So, lesson is obviously reading. So, here we'll see one by one each point that how it can be avoided losing easy marks. Okay. Now, suppose first we'll see how is this lesson section marked. The TELC A2 lesson section is objectively marked. This means every question has one correct answer. It is like MCQ. There will be options given to you and you have to mark the correct one. Your answers are compared with the official answer key. Okay. So there will be some official answer key will be there, and based on that, your answers are compared and give you marks. There are no grammar marks and no handwriting marks in the reading section. You just have to take the correct one. A correct answer gets full points. An incorrect answer gets 0 points. What does this mean? There is no negative marking. So always answer every question. Okay, even if you are doubtful about that particular question, but please answer it because if it is wrong by any chance, you will get 0 points. But there is no negative marking in this TELC A2 lesson section. Now, what do examiners check? The only check whether you selected the correct answer is they do not evaluate your spelling, your grammar, your vocabulary. Your goal is simply to understand the text correctly and choose the right option. Okay, this is the only task given to you. So, in my opinion, this is the easiest section, lesson module. Okay, so please prepare it thoroughly and you will get full marks in this lesson section. Now, common mistakes, what students they do. Many students lose marks because they match words instead of understanding the meaning, right? They just match the words, which words are matching, but without understanding the meaning. So, first, you have to understand the meaning of the words. Ignore important words like niche, kind, or newer. These are very, very important. You have to understand this and where is this, where are these words? Okay, that also you have to understand. Spend too much time on one difficult question. Suppose one difficult question comes and you spend lot of time on that particular question. Then the time will be less to solve other questions. Keep it in mind. Okay. This is a time constraint exam. So you have to keep it in mind the time also. Now, some people, some students, what they do leave questions unanswered. Okay, if they don't know the correct answer, they will just leave like that. But remember, a guess still gives you a chance to earn points, right? Correct. So not try, but you must answer all the questions. Okay, solve all the questions because even if you guessed it, either you will get full marks or you will get 0 marks because there is no negative mark. Okay, understood? Right. Now, here, my tips to score higher in this particular TELC A2 lesson section, reading section is read the question first. Okay, right? There will be a text and then the questions will be there. So, first, don't read the text. Okay, always read the question first. Then you will get to know which keywords to look for in the text. Okay. So underline important keywords. right? First, read the questions first, and then from the text, you just underline the keywords. Look for synonyms instead of exact words. Okay, synonyms meaning similar meanings words. Eliminate clearly wrong options. Suppose there are three options A, B, C. Now, suppose you feel that A is totally wrong, but you are confused between B and C. First, eliminate that A option and then think of B or C. Okay, you will get the answer. And even if you don't get, you just guess it. And suppose it is very, very difficult for you. Either you will get 1 mark or 0 marks, full marks or zero. Correct? Answer every question before time runs out. Okay, you have to keep it in mind that these kind of exams are time constraints, right? So you have to look for that also. So practice with the timer. Always, whenever you give mock tests, so practice with the timer. So these were a few tips from my side for you for this TELC A2 Lesen section. So this is very easy section. So don't lose your easy marks here. That is the important tip from my side. Okay. So that's all for today, friends. If you are new to my channel, preparing for TELC or Goethe exam, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.